to look at how to search for decoder channels on the master decoder. So let's move right in. Go to menu, then come to antenna settings, and then make sure you key in this frequency 12645 vertical 32700. When you are done, you press green and then info to get back here. Then you turn this on, and then over here leave it at blind. That is if you want to scan everything on that particular satellite. If you are not interested, you can leave it this way, or you send it to TP. When you are done with that, you press the blue button and then press OK. So there you have it, and you have your digital channels. Enjoy. And make sure you update your decoder with the current software version.